In Zone 5B, the climate typically experiences cold winters and relatively short growing seasons. Therefore, it's crucial to plan your planting schedule carefully to maximize the success of your garden. Here's a general planting schedule for Zone 5B. Early spring, March-April. Start seeds for slow-growing warm season crops like tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and certain herbs 8-10 weeks before the last expected frost date. You can transplant them outdoors after the danger of frost has passed. Late spring, May. Outdoors. Plant the warm season crops that you started indoors once the last frost date has passed. This may include tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, cucumbers, squash, and beans. Transplant. You can also transplant any seedlings you started indoors for flowers or herbs. Early summer, June. Outdoors, continue planting heat-loving crops and succession planting for a continuous harvest of fast-maturing vegetables. Midsummer, July. Outdoors in midsummer, you can plant cool season crops for a fall harvest. These may include certain varieties of lettuce, spinach, radishes, and beets. Watering. Be mindful of watering needs during hot summer months, as plants may require more water to stay healthy. Fall, August, September. Outdoors, plant cool season crops like kale, collard greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts for a fall and early winter harvest. Late fall, October. Outdoors, continue harvesting cool season crops as long as possible, but be prepared for potential frosts or freezes. Clean up, clear out spent plants and debris to prepare the garden for winter. Winter, November, February. Rest during winter. The garden will likely be dormant, and not much planting will happen. However, you can plan and prepare for the upcoming spring season. Remember that weather patterns can vary, so it's essential to monitor local weather forecasts and frost dates to adjust your planting schedule accordingly. Additionally, some crops may benefit from the use of season-extending techniques like row covers or cold frames to protect them from frost and extend the growing season.